Good morning all of you. Now today I am going to start the next topic in trigonometry, that will be your angles. So as you can see that this is a chart in which various angles are given. So in first column you will find value of theta. Theta is the angle. Value of theta is 0 degree. Value of theta is 30 degree. Value of theta is 45 degree. Value of theta is 60 degree. And value of theta is 90 degree. Now in this video we are going to do some questions based on the trigonometry of angles. So you have to see that you have to learn this chart, but you have to learn three values. Sine 0 degree, value is 0. Sine 30 degree, value is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree, value is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree, value is root 3 by 2. And sine 90 degree, value is 1. So we have to learn sine, cos and tan. If we learn these three, so cosec will be the reciprocal of sine, sec is the reciprocal of cos, and cot is the reciprocal of tan. So we have to see that these are the values of the different angles. Sine 30, then cos 30, tan 30. So we have to learn all these values and you will get the question based on these values. Now I am going to solve some questions based on these values. Now see how to solve the questions. Now see here, question number first. How to solve the questions? Question is given as cos 45 degree dot means multiply cos 30 degree plus sine 45 degree dot sine 30 degree. Now see here, we have to calculate the value. So we will write the value one by one. Cos 45 degree value we are knowing, that is 1 upon root 2. Multiply cos 30 degree value will be your root 3 by 2 plus sine 45 degree value is 1 by root 2 into sine 30 degree value is 1 by 2. So here it will come root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Now 2 root 2 is the LCM. So when you will solve, it will come root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. And this will be our answer. So in this type of question, we have to just learn the values and we have to put the values in the question, solve it, we will get the result. Now let us see another question from trigonometric angles. Now question number second. Now question number second is saying if A is equals to 45 degree, then to prove cos 2A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square A. So you can see that value of A is 45 degree. So we will put here the value of A as 45. So cos 2 into 45, that is cos 90 degree. Value of cos 90 we are knowing, that is 0, is equal to, we will put the value of cos square, value of A here, cos square 45 degree minus 1. So value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So 2 into 1 by root 2 square value, we will do the square of this minus 1. So 2 into when we do the square of any square root value, so it is removed upon 2 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Solve this last part. 1 minus 2 sine square 45 degree. So 1 minus 2, value of sine 45 is again 1 by root 2. So we put here into 1 upon root 2 whole square. So 1 minus 2 into 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now you can see that in all the cases we are getting the value as 0. So we have to prove, and the last we will write here proved. Now see next question based on these angles. Question number 3rd. It is given as 2 cos square 60 degree plus 3 sine square 45 degree minus 3 sine square 30 degree plus 2 cos square 90 degree. Now we have to take out the value, so again we will put the value here one by one. So 2 into cos 60, so value of cos 60 we are knowing, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square sine, so we put the sign of square here, plus 3 into sine 45 value is 1 by root 2, again square, minus 3 into value of sine 30 is 1 by 2, so put here 1 by 2 square, plus 2 into cos 90, value of cos 90 is 0. Now 2 into 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4, plus 3 into 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 by 4, 2 into 0 will be 0. So 2 ones are and 2 twos are, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 4. Now take out the LCM here, LCM is 4. So 2 twos are 2 into 1 2. When you will divide, so it will come 2, 2 3 just 6 minus 3. So 2 plus 6 will be 8, and 8 minus 3 will be your 5. 5 by 4 or 1 whole 1 by 4, and this will be our result. So in this way we are going to solve the questions of trigonometric angle. So now let us see another question. Now question number 4th. It has been given if A is equals to 30 degree, verify sin 2A is equals to 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. So we have to verify this value. Sin 2A is equal to 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. So we put the value of A as 30 in LHS. First of all we solve the left hand side. So sin 2A, it means 2 into 30, so sin 60 degree. So value of sin 60 degree will be root 3 by 2. Now we solve this RHS part. So 2 tan A means 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square, it is 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So value of 2 tan 30, so 2 into tan 30, value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3 whole square upon 1 plus, again tan 30 is 1 by root 3 this value will not be square because square is not given. So 2 into 1 by root 3, it will be 2 upon root 3 upon 1 plus 1 by 3. So 2 upon root 3, when you will take out the LCM and solve, so you will get here as 3 is the LCM, so 3 plus 1. So 2 upon root 3 upon 4 upon 3. So 2 upon root 3 into 3 upon 4. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. It is coming as 3 upon 2 root 3. But we need here root 3 by 2, so we at the last we used to rationalize it. So rationalize by multiplying it by 2 root 3 upon 2 root 3. It will come to 3 to just 6 root 3 upon 4 into 3. 2 into 2 will 4, root 3 into root 3 will be 3, so 4 3s are 12. 6 1 ja, 6 2s are root 3 by 2. So value of LHS is root 3 by 2, value of RHS is also root 3 by 2. At the last we write LHS is equals to RHS. Clarified. So now let us see next question based on this angles. Now question number 5. So question number 5 here is sine square 30 degree plus 4 cot square 45 degree minus sec square 60 degree. Another bracket is cosec square 45 degree sec square 30 degree. Now just put the value. Sine 30 value is 1 by 2, square is given, plus 4 cot 45. So cot 45 is the reciprocal of tan. So tan 45 degree value will be your 1. Cot 45 degree will also be your 1 square, minus sec 60 degree. So sec is the reciprocal of cos. So cos 60 degree will be your 1 by 2. So sec 60 degree will be 2. Another bracket cosec square 45 degree. So sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Opposite of sine 45 is cosec, that will be root 2. Multiply sec square 30 degree. So sec is the reciprocal of cos. So cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 upon root 3 square. So it will come 1 by 4 plus 4 into 1 4 minus 2 square is 4. Another bracket root 2 square is 2, multiply 4 upon 3. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel, it will come 1 by 4 into 2 4 ja 8 upon 3, 4 1s are 4 2s are, that is 2 by 3. So these are some questions based on the trigonometrical angles. In my next video I will come with some more questions based on my trigonometric angles. Thank you.